You're in it? Yeah, it looks sick, hey? Yeah. No, you're in it. You're in the show? I'm the seat. Sorry, yeah. Oh, you're on the seat. Let's go.
Off to show Billy his car.
Yep. Alright, snake. 641. Mine's got the
Billy, hold up. Showing Billy his other setup.
Best extreme paint, fairly self-explanatory, goes to, and my apologies if I do not get this correct, SHWKID RX8.
Go baby! Yeah!
I should have known what you rowdy punch.
Yeah baby!
Phoenix gets as well. By the way, don't try and skateboard on it, they're not that safe, made in China.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if it's
impulsive. Needs the road scrub. Show me around your quick car. Show me around. Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
It's just one in Queen.
Yep. RX8. 641. I just got the knee. Shit hot. That's come up fucking awesome, eh? Like really good. You must be happy with it. It's come up better than Lightning Queen itself, I reckon. Hey.
It's sick. Sick as. SHWKID. Man, can't beat that. Man, I'll be wrapped. Do you want to show me the other one too? Let's do it. That's me. My son's got one of these, but not with the big wheels on it. Oh, my man. My man. Bro, when a chicken dinner, he fucking pops up. Boom. Fuck. You're a fucking spoiled man. Hey, you're a man. Oh, bro, like keep it up, man. You're gonna be the next big thing. I'm telling you. Keep doing what you're doing, bro. Start videoing it, put it on YouTube, mate, and you'll be on. Okay, that's one thing new. I'll video on mine. This is cool. My son would love this, man. Oh man, 2 cars, or well, 3 cars at the show in a trailer. Who does that? Who does it? Only you. It's still one, brother. It's still one.